How to recover a deleted post on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you recover a deleted post on Facebook. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Facebook app with your account. After you open Facebook, you'll get this kind of interface. From your at the top left, tap on your profile icon. From your profile section, tap on three dots. From profile settings, you'll have to tap on activity log. From activity log, at the top, tap on trash. From the trash, you can find all of your deleted posts. Simply to recover that, you'll have to select that. After you select that, at the bottom, tap on restore. Simply tap on restore to confirm. After you tap on that, that post will be restored on your main Facebook page. And that's it. This is the method you can recover a post on your Facebook. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more social media tips like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.